We are off to another very nice start this morning, another dry start. Not seeing any rain here on our radar view from over the past 6 hours. And we're currently dry, and we're going to be staying dry for the rest of today and for the next couple of days. Temperatures right now here in Greenville, we're at 73 with these northerly winds coming down at 7 miles an hour. Over in Greenwood, not too much of a difference this morning, just a degree higher at 74 in Greenwood, and winds out of the north at 5 miles an hour being reported right now. Taking a little bit of a wider look, we're seeing some numbers a little bit higher to our north in Clarksdale at 75. A little bit lower though for Batesville at 72 right now. Close to Interstate 20 at 76 in Jackson, 75 in Vicksburg, and then those temperatures back west of the river. Everybody in the mid-70s to start out the morning. Here's our Futurecast view, and we're going to be staying dry as we go through the rest of the morning and into the afternoon hours. Not expecting any rain to move in here to the Delta. They're still seeing some heavy rain, though, on parts of the East Coast, but all that heavy activity will remain well to our east, and also some of that will remain to our west. But no rain is expected for us today. We're also going to see this high pressure system continue to set up a little bit north of us. That's going to filter in that more northerly air. So we have a much drier air mass in place for the next couple of days than we did late last week. Last week we saw some of those heat index values pushing above 115. Today, most of those should be staying in the low 90s, and that's kind of going to stay the case for the next couple of days. High temperatures will be in the low to mid 90s, but heat index values, not really much of a concern at all for the next couple of days, thanks to the northerly air being brought in by this high pressure system. Also, Thursday morning, we're going to be off to a dry start, and we should be staying dry for the rest of the day on Thursday. Here's a quick breakdown for today. We're going to be in the upper 80s by noon. We'll be at 88, 90 at 2 o'clock, 90 at 4. Moving on just a little bit later in the day for the start of your evening. Back down into the upper 80s. We'll be at 83 by 8 o'clock and in the mid 70s by 10 o'clock. Heat index values for today, low 90s, right at 90 at noon. It'll feel like 93 at 2 o'clock and 93 by 4 o'clock. Feel like 91 by 6 o'clock. Later on tonight, temperatures are going to drop down a little bit lower than average, down into the upper 60s. We'll be at 69 tonight, mostly clear with winds out of the north at 5 miles an hour. Tomorrow, warming up just a little bit, staying in the low 90s though, 92. That's about where we're normally at this time of year. We're going to stay mostly sunny tomorrow and winds out of the north at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Temperatures for the next couple of days will be on the increase. It's going to be 93 on Thursday, 94 for your high on Friday. Only bringing in about a 20% chance for a few showers on Friday, and most of that activity should come late in the day on Friday and also stay in our more northern counties. So for the most part, Friday will be dry. Then Saturday and Sunday, we will bring in about a 30 to 40% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms, high temperatures in the low 90s. Starting out next work week, rain chance will bump up a little bit, also bringing in more cloud cover. That'll help hold our temperatures down into the upper 80s for Monday.